Greetings, Year 12 Chemists. Okay, we've got some more nomenclature problems where we've got to name the following compounds from the formulae. Okay, let's have a look at A. What I'm going to do is I'm looking for a substituent on the main carbon chain. And we've got some options, okay? So we've got an Iodo group there. We could start numbering it from left to right or from right to left. Which one is correct? It is the bottom one because that functional group takes the priority there and that gets given the lowest number. So this is going to be a carbon chain of 3 carbon atoms long, so that's going to be propane. And then we have to put the position of the Iodo group, so this is going to be 1 Iodo propane, done. Let's have a look at question B. So let's do the same thing. Let's number from left to right. So 1, 2, 3, 4 versus 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see here that we've got some bromines on carbon atom 2 and 3, regardless if we go from left to right or right to left. So let's just go in this direction, from left to right here. And those are going to get the lowest priority. So what I do is start with the longest carbon chain. The longest carbon chain is 4 carbon atoms long, so that's butane. And then we've got bromine on carbon atom number 2 and carbon atom number 3. So this is going to be 2, 3 dibromo butane. So 2, 3 dibromo because you've got 2 bromines, butane because you've got a carbon atom, because you've got a carbon chain which is 4 carbon atoms long. Okay, let's have a look at C. Okay, a bit of a nasty one in comparison to A and B. So what we can do if you want is you can draw this out. So let's draw this out. So we've got a CC double bond here. We've got CH2F. And we've got a CH3 there. We've got a CH. Got CH2. CH3. If it helps drawing it out, please draw it out. And then what we have to do is have a look at what is the major functional group, okay? So you've got a fluorine here and you've got an alkene. Well, an alkene or a double bond has higher priority than the fluorine, so that has to be given the lowest number. And we can number this in a number of different ways. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that will give us some sort of propene type thing. Or if we go the opposite way, and let's go the opposite way, that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The right to left version is more correct, okay? And the reason for that is it gives the lowest number for the CC double bond, okay? So let's use that numbering system. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's going to be pent. Then we have to state the position of the CC double bond. So that's going to be pent-2-ene. Okay, now we've got a branch on carbon atom number 2. And we've got a fluorine attached on carbon atom number 1. So we're going to number this as 1 fluoro, 2 methyl, pent-2-ene. Thank you for watching. Ta-ta. If you're enjoying this content, please subscribe to my channel and click the link in my description to sign up to my course.